He killed it. Oh, fuck.
90 billion here. Jenny? Let's go with Bolo.
God damn, dude, these fucking people are fucking stupid.
Do you want to reply?
Fucking Victorians.
Sorry, did you want to reply to that one?
No.
All right.
Lift pylons connecting to the starboard belly, forward and aft, and the other two to the port side belly.
I have a rope. You're a fucking idiot, dude. What the fuck are you doing?
I know that you're waiting for me like a dog, but have some patience for the part of me that's lost.
Cơm canh rau rồi. Thư được uống không? Cưới lên. Má nó cho.
Have you seen what this is? Oh,
Yeah,
gravy.
oh my god!
Oh, Jesus.
Holy fuck!
Just wait. He's kind of doing it deliberately.
Okay.
Oh, there's a learner.
Fuck you.
What a fucking universe.
Are you okay, Lucy?
Yeah? What happened? Where's the cool daddy? What happened, Mommy? What happened, Mommy?
Lucy, are you okay?
Jeez. Up a hill, he can't see a thing. Holy. He's doing it again, look. Blew up behind me. I don't know what was going on. Oh, here comes the police. They're chasing him. Get him, guys.
car is it?
The car that was hit is a white Toyota RAV4.
Good shit. Good shit.
Going ahead and start EMS.
If I had been going harder, we'd have been fucked.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck me. Sorry.
Brother, let's stop to the side.
Sorry, brother.
Hey, I'm gonna need your details.
Mate, I'm pulling up the roadway.
Oh, you fucking donkey. Yes.
Oh my god!
What the?
Why is he pulling over here?
There's a broken car.
Next year for work and stuff. What do you think you'll be doing?
homeless. it's my goal.
Fuck me. Jesus.
Wow, we could have died.
Fuck. How close was that?
Fuck! هات الحلالة زمان حيوان
Think of anything worse. Oh, did you see the comment? It was just a comment.
That's cool.
I'll see if I can get it on dash cam in a bit.
Oh my gosh! What the fuck are you doing?
Introducing the
What the fuck? Seriously, mate?
I'm not sure that that's been happening consistently. And by the way, this is not just in the early childhood sector, Dom. This is about wherever you find children. So it's been...
Fucking hell, dude, what the fuck?
At the highest level, they come up the numbers and everything will look good. Ignore the statistics and just look at the numbers. When they tell you my time is down.
Without you, there ain't no place for me to hide. Without you.
Oh, damn. That guy just friggin' took off. Holy shit.
Oh, fuck!
And the Bruce Highway northbound has been unsafe from Ramadan.
Fucking idiot!
And also a video strapped hard by the Royal Street Motorway van keep out to the road at Bourne Hills. And Anzac.
Fuck!
Fucking shit, fucking cunts.
Got him.
Jesus.
You braked. You should have.